This is the day 22 of our 40-day series where we'll be analyzing
40 plus projects
across North Bangalore.
Hi, I'm Anshika from PropSoch and welcome to PropScope, our brand new series that is going to change how you look at Bangalore real estate. Over the next 40 days, we are going to deep dive into 40 projects in North Bangalore and give you all the facts with no marketing jargons.
So subscribe us to not miss out on our journey.
And today we are scoping L&T Elara Celestia by L&T Construction. The project sits on 10.7 acres of land parcel in Hebbal. The project offers varied typologies starting from 3 to 4 BHK plus made units, ranging from your 1500 to over 3000 square feet. Comprises a total of 634 units across 3 towers, each rising 13 floors high. With a density of 63 units per acre, the project offers 73% open space, which is slightly below than the market average of 77%. But it now compensates with over 34,000 square feet of clubhouse that includes multiple lifestyle and sports amenities like pet park, amphitheater, swimming pool, gym, library, sauna, and various sports facilities like basketball, badminton, cricket ground, football ground, squash, skating, and even a running track. Location is everything in real estate. So now let's talk about the connectivity picture. L&T Elara Celestia sits on a 65-meter approach road in a well-developing Hebbal corridor. Your daily metro options include Kodigehalli Metro Station, which is approx 2.6 kilometers, roughly 10-15 minutes by road. Your railway connectivity comes from Kodigehalli Railway Station, which is 1.9 kilometers. For air travelers, Kempegowda International Airport is around 22 kilometers, which is roughly 50-55 minutes by road. Multiple metro alternatives includes Jakur Cross at around 2 to 3 kilometers and Hebbal Metro at around 4 to 5 kilometers. The project sits strategically in North Bangalore's developing corridor, Hebbal, which is very famous for its parks, lakes, and connectivity to major highways, which is making it ideal for families seeking premium living with excellent connectivity to both the city center and tech corridors. Now, what's actually the legal status looking like? L&T Elara Celestia has secured an exceptional 12 out of 12 legal approvals by RERA, which is going beyond the standard 7 legal approvals, which adds to the additional security by providing the duplicate certificates. This includes Khata, building, height, water NOC, fire NOC, among others. To view the complete list of documents, comment PropScope and we'll share the link with you. Now here's where your wallet comes into play. So the pricing sits at around 23,000 rupees per square feet, while the average market price of Hebbal is around 10,000 rupees per square feet, which is making it ultra premium priced of around 10,000 rupees per square feet above market average. Real prices spans from 3.7 crores to 7.7 crores, but remember, registration and statutory charges are additional. Lastly, the RERA possession date for the project is scheduled for March 2030.
If you would like to know the pros and cons of properties like this on 80 plus key parameters, then click on the link given in the description box and register for our guided home buying program where we'll be helping you find the right home that fits your needs. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications because we'll be taking you through 40 days of navigating North Bangalore real estate market with expert guidance.